Welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be considering this question on the board. It is about speed. So let us dive in. A student walks a distance of 3 kilometers in 20 minutes. Calculate his average speed. Okay, I know most of you have known a thing or two about speed, but I'm going to be expanding on that knowledge here and now. Now, what is speed? Yes, speed, yes, the formula is distance over time, but actually, what is speed? Speed is actually the rate of change of what distance, the rate at which you change distance per unit what time. Now, let's assume a car that is moving on the road. A car moving has different speed at different intervals of time. Let's say you're on the highway or the expressway. The speed you take or you're driving on the expressway is not the same speed that you're driving on when maybe you meet a pothole in like a village setting. So you see that the speed varies based on the amount of distance a car is able to cover at a specific time interval. So speed is distance over time, that's the formula. It's also changing distance over time, but it's not just that. If you just say it's a change of distance with respect to time, it does not have the complete meaning. You must add the rate of change of what? Distance with respect to time. I hope you got that. Now, let us now consider this question. Solution. A student walks a distance of 3 kilometers in 20 minutes. Calculate his average speed. Now, the obvious thing to do whenever you are solving any physics problem, this is a tip for you. The obvious thing to do is, first of all, write out the parameters that you are given. So here we are given a distance. Distance is given as what? 3 kilometers. But is 3 kilometers the SI unit? No. So you have to change it what? To the basic SI unit. So if you change it to basic SI unit, it has to be in meter. So how do you convert kilometer to meter? You simply multiply by 1000. So it's going to be 3 times 1000, which is actually what? 3000 meter. So you've converted that. Then what else are you giving? You're given the time. The time is what? 20 minutes. Well, 20 minutes is it still the basic SI unit? No. So you still have to convert this particular what? Time to the basic SI unit, which is seconds. And if you don't know already, 60 seconds makes what? 1 minute. So to convert 20 minutes to seconds, you have to simply multiply by what? 60. So it's actually 60 times 20. Okay? So if you get this here, you're going to have 60, 20. This is 0, 0. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 6 is 12. So it's actually 1200 seconds. So it's actually 1200 seconds. So we have actually found all we need. So the next thing to do is to find the speed. So the formula, speed is equal to what? Distance traveled, or the rate of change of distance with respect to time. What is speed here? This is what? 3000 meter. And what is the time here? The time says 1200 seconds. So what are we going to do? This will cancel, 0 will cancel, another 0 will cancel. Now what can reduce 30 and 12? That is 6. 6 divided 12 is 2. 6 divided 30 is going to give us 5. So you have 5 over 2. If you further divide it, this is going to give us 2.5. That is the overall speed. But how do we now calibrate the unit of speed? Now remember that the unit of what? Distance is meter, and you have slash over, then you have what? Unit of time, which is second. So the actual unit, SI unit of speed is going to what? Meter. This slash will now come and become here. Then the actual what? Second. So this is actually pronounced as 2.5 meter per second. So this is the average speed that the car or the student that was working with to cover that particular distance. I hope you got that. Thank you for watching to this video. Bye.